Let us look at how to design our theme using any IDE, any code editor. So firstly, let's locate our project folder. Then inside your project folder, there is packages folder. Click on packages. Then you have 3 folders: modules, plugins, and themes. Click on themes. Then you'll be able to locate your theme design, your theme name, which is theme tutor. Click on theme tutor. Then inside theme tutor, you have a folder called content. This is where all your regions, your content are being saved. So open the contents folder. You have the 2 files that we've already created, the header and footer. Then you can open your footer with any IDE that you want to use. So this is it here. Then you can write any code that you want here. Save it. Let me say p tag. Welcome to the footer design, and you can save it. So this is how you can use your IDE, your code editor, to write your theme design.